Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best luxury tanning is probably one of the most sought-after beauty enhancements for achieving that perfect sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV exposure. And today we're diving deep into the world of dripping gold to see if it lives up to the hype, offering a radiant and natural-looking tan that can transform your look and boost your confidence, making it a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour to their routine. Number 5. Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow with our revolutionary self-tanning foam. It's designed to give you a flawless, natural-looking tan every time. Experience the lightweight feel of our unique formula. Enriched with soothing aloe vera and nourishing coconut, it hydrates your skin while it tans. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to an even tan. Our foam glides on smoothly for a perfect, uniform color that looks like you've just returned from vacation. Applying it is a breeze, and the results are simply stunning. Get ready to embrace your most radiant skin yet. Whether you're heading to the beach or just want to brighten your day, this is your secret weapon. Enjoy a gorgeous, golden tan with ease. What we like? This option offers a lightweight feel, enriched with soothing aloe vera and coconut. It provides a beautiful, even tan without streaks. If you're looking for a hydrating and easy-to-apply self-tanner, this is a great choice for a natural glow. What people say. This self-tanner provides a beautiful, natural-looking tan that rivals a professional spray tan. The application process is seamless, thanks to the easy-to-use spray bottle and fast-drying formula. I love that it glides on smoothly without streaks, and the color develops evenly over time. The dark tan is rich and vibrant, perfect for achieving that sun-kissed glow. Number 4. St.Tropez Classic Bronzing Self-Tan Mousse. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with ease. Our classic bronzing mousse delivers a streak-free, golden tint every time. Say goodbye to uneven application. This formula is designed for a flawless finish, ensuring a smooth and even tan. Get that sun-kissed look without the sun. It provides a believable golden hue that enhances your natural skin tone. The lightweight mousse texture makes application simple and quick. Enjoy a gorgeous tan that looks like you've been away for weeks. For a reliable and beautiful tan, reach for this classic. It's your perfect partner for achieving that desirable golden glow. What we like? Achieve a natural-looking, golden tan with this classic mousse. It's designed for a streak-free application, giving you confidence. If you prefer a reliable, universally flattering golden hue and a smooth finish, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is amazing and I love it. This is the best product I have ever used. I would recommend this product to everyone. Number 3. B.TAN Ultra Dark Self Tanner Kit. Introducing the Ultra Dark Self Tanner Kit. Get the deepest, darkest tan possible with this all-in-one bundle. Our Express Sunless Foam delivers a fast bronzing glow in just 1 hour. Achieve a beautiful tan without the wait. This kit includes our best tanning mousse and a mitt applicator for a streak-free, flawless finish. Application has never been easier. Enjoy a natural-looking tan without the unpleasant fake tan smell. Our formula is designed for a pleasant tanning experience. We are proud to say this product is vegan and cruelty-free. Feel good about the choices you make for your skin and the planet. The 6.7 fluid ounces size ensures you have plenty of product for multiple applications. Maintain your gorgeous glow for longer. What we like? For those who desire the deepest tan possible, this kit delivers. It offers an express, 1-hour option and eliminates the dreaded fake tan smell. If you want a rapid, intensely dark result and appreciate a pleasant scent, this bundle is perfect. What people say. No orange Oompa Loompa color. It fades beautifully. Just like a natural tan would fade. 0 weird spots. It looks very natural and not orange at all. Number 2. MEVECCO 14K Gold-Plated Dainty Bracelet. Discover the MEVECCO bracelet, a delicate piece designed to add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Its minimalist design makes it a perfect everyday accessory. Each bracelet is lovingly handmade, ensuring a unique and high-quality piece just for you. Experience the charm of handcrafted jewelry. Featuring a Dainty 14K gold-plated chain, this bracelet offers a subtle shimmer. It's designed to be lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This cute and simple bracelet is an ideal present for any woman in your life. It's a gesture of affection she'll cherish. Embrace the beauty of minimalism with this stunning bracelet. Its clean lines and understated design make it a versatile addition to any jewelry collection. Crafted with 14K gold plating, this bracelet offers a luxurious look without the high cost. Enjoy its lasting shine and sophisticated finish. What we like? This piece is crafted with 14K gold plating for a touch of luxury. Its dainty chain and minimalist design make it incredibly versatile. If you appreciate subtle elegance and are looking for a simple, chic accessory to elevate any outfit, consider this. What people say. Dainty, simply in a perfect mix of the three colors so I could wear my silver and gold necklaces and rings together. Anyone looking for a mixed dainty bracelet that looks expensive, this is it. The quality is great, tarnish resistant and simply beautiful. Number 1. Coco and Eve's Sunny Honey Medium Self-Tanner Foam. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with our revolutionary self-tanner. It's designed for a fast-drying, streak-free application every time. Enjoy the delightful tropical scent as you apply this lightweight mousse. You won't experience any stickiness, just a comfortable, smooth finish. Our advanced formula guarantees a flawless, even tan without any streaks. Get ready to glow with confidence. No more waiting around. This tanner dries quickly, allowing you to get dressed and go about your day without any hassle. Feel good about your tan. It's proudly vegan and cruelty-free, offering you a beautiful glow that aligns with your values. This medium shade provides the perfect sun-kissed look. It's easy to use and delivers stunning, natural-looking results. What we like? Experience a fast-drying, non-sticky sunless tan with a delightful tropical scent. It leaves a natural-looking glow that feels comfortable on the skin. If you value quick application, a pleasant fragrance, and a lightweight feel, this is an excellent option. What people say. It applies easily with a light tint to help you see where you've covered. It applies evenly with a mitt and face brush, with no streaks or awkward darker patches or anything. This self-tanner gives me a lovely, even, natural-looking glow. It's not too dark, orange, or fake-looking. It lasts about a week before I need to reapply. Extremely hydrating. I have extremely dry skin and I didn't feel like I needed to put lotion on over it. Because it's hydrating, it's less streaky. Even if you accidentally did streak, it'd be a very blended streak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.